Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different. I'm actually going to take you along to Coach. So I've been starting to visit Coach a little bit more regular now, and I thought that I'd actually vlog this one because there is a sale going on at the moment. I think it might be for Australia with end of financial year, but I'm going to run you through some of the items that are on sale, and I've got some mod shots to share with you guys. So yeah, I've been vibing Coach lately. I have been vibing more contemporary luxury designers. You guys would have seen the fabric hauls that I have on my channel, and yeah, I'm just loving more quiet luxury items, more contemporary designers where I feel like they have high craftsmanship, high quality, beautiful leathers, and I'm just getting far better value for money with my purchases of luxury bags. So the items that they have put in the Coach sales section, so this is actually available online, some pieces still, otherwise you might find more stock in the actual physical stores. Some of these styles sadly have sold out already since my last follow-up, but I'll let you know about those later on. But you will see the Brooklyn bag, which is so popular. The size 39 is there in the seasonal colors, in the grey taupe and the Merlot and the tan honey, and then they've also got the Brooklyn in those same colors in the 28 size. They have the tabby 20, and it looks like they have the quilted tabby as well. I'm not quite sure what the other size tabby is, might be the 26, I think. Then they have some of those small tote bags that are in that more canvas fabric. And one of my favorite bags that they have there is the Empire line in the Empire 34, the haversack. They are in the olive green color. Now, a little bit of a spoiler, I do have a bag to reveal in that color, so I'm trying to avoid the temptation of adding in another bag in that color. But the pricing is so good. I will give you the pricing in a moment when I show you some of the mod shots. They've also got the Bleecker bucket bag that is in 2 different sizes. In Australia, there's only a couple more days left of the sale, but I think that there are still some extended sales running on the authorized retailers for Coach. So I'm going to leave any of these bags that are on sale with those retailers linked down below in the description bar as well. So this is the haversack bag. I really like this bag. I'm just waiting for it in the right color for me. So I'm very tempted by this bag. As I said, I'm trying to avoid the olive, and this is the only one that they had in this color in this bag because they are not doing the sale on any of the classic colors, unfortunately. So I'm just going to wait and see if the right color comes up. But this bag is beautiful. It fits a lot, as you can see. This video is from Rednote, Zaya Hongshu app. It has plenty of pockets on the front of the bag, on the side of the bag. I love that kiss lock feature and that turn lock feature. So it's a very spacious bag. So this bag is available in quite a few colors, but Coach does do seasonal colors. They have a suede version of this, which I haven't seen yet in Australia. I do quite like the suede that Coach does. I find it to be very luxurious feeling, and it just oozes kind of like that, quiet luxury, old money sort of vibe. As you can see, the bag is very spacious on the inside. Does come with an additional strap, so you can actually carry this bag in a couple of different ways. You can have it on the short setting without that additional strap. So I really like this hobo look with the bag, that short carry. That's my favorite way to carry this bag. But you can attach that additional strap on, and you can then instead use it as a messenger bag. Not my favorite way to carry it, but I think that this bag is such a great unisex bag. At the time that I filmed this video, it is on sale only in that color, and it was 766 Australian dollars. However, if they still have it left, they do tend to sometimes mark down the price even more right towards the very end of the sale. Some bags have gone from like only being 30% off to being 50% off, I have noticed. So if you can still get this bag, it may potentially be even cheaper, possibly. I'm not going to ask the question because I don't want to be tempted. As you can see on the website, the normal retail price is $950. The classic colors for this are the black, and I believe also the maple brown, which is that beautiful dark brown color. Now, another bag that I really like is this black shiny calfskin Juliet bag. Now, this was the only one that they had. It was the Juliet 20 size. I kind of regret not buying it. I thought that maybe the capacity was too small and that's why I didn't buy it, but the price was 455 Australian dollars, which I think is a pretty good deal for such a cute bag that could have been worn daytime or nighttime, and it looks very like a modern, youthful kind of vibe with that silver and the black. I'm just now showing you a video here of another size of the Juliet bag. I think this is the Juliet 25. They didn't have this at store. I haven't seen it at my store and I can't even find it online. So maybe that was an older size or an older seasonal one of that one, but that would have probably been the better bag for me. So I might have to hunt that one in the pre-loved market instead, because the Juliet 20, yeah, I found it a little bit too small. But if you do like this Juliet bag, they do have the 25 size still in the quilting, which is $486 Australian. They only had it in that olive green that I could see in store. There was no other colors for it. Online, they did previously have the brownie orange color. I can't see it anymore though, but maybe there might still be some hanging around in store. But as I said, I will link down below any of the other sales that they might have running with other retailers that are authorized to sell Coach. The other bag that I tried on is this Lana shoulder bag. This Lana shoulder bag, even though it is quite spacious, I kind of like how it looks on me. I think it's quite a nice oversized bag. The thing I hated the most was the straps. The straps were just so awkward with this bag that they would come off. What I much preferred was the Lana 23 bag because it kind of gave me an Hermes Pickerton vibe. That was $570, that Lana 23, but it was only available in that lavender grey color, and I think it has now sold out at my local store. Here I am trying on the Bleecker bucket bag. This is in the size 21. This is the smaller Bleecker bucket bag. They do have another one in the regular size. Now this bucket bag does come with its own little pouch, kind of like another SLG that you're getting included with the bag, which I do find to be really great value considering the price on this is only $275 Australian. There is more availability of this one on the website. You can see that there is 3 colors that they are offering, and they're actually offering the classic colors there as well. So I'm wondering if they are actually going to phase out this bag because they are offering even the black and that dark chocolate maple brown. Same applies for the regular Bleecker bucket bag as well. They are offering all those colors there, so maybe they are phasing out this bag. I personally am not a big fan of this bag. It is not really my style, but I do think that it does have some pretty good value. On the other hand, what bag I really do like is the Empire line. This one is the 34. This is the very popular East-West design. Very popular. We have seen it carried by Bella Hadid. We have also seen it carried on Devil Wears Prada too. So I'm trying it on in the olive green color. That's the only color that they had for the Empire 34. Yep, I was very tempted, very tempted. It's such a sleek bag. You can wear it easily for the daytime or for the nighttime. It looks so gorgeous. I love the black one. If they had it in black, I would have jumped on it. This was $550 Australian in the green one, but as I said, it was only in that green one because it is the seasonal color. They are not offering this bag in any of the classic colors. So there was no black, there was no brown, unless I wanted to pay the full price for it. I could not get those colors in the sale section, which makes total sense because this is a classic bag for Coach now. It's a bag that is not going anywhere. Another bag that's not going anywhere is the Brooklyn line. This is another line that I love from Coach. I really like this bag. I may or may not have bought one already from the sale section because it is such a good deal. Here I am trying on the size 28. So this size 28 is available in the sale section in those colors that I mentioned, the grey taupe, which is called a stone grey, the Merlot, and the tan honey brown. So I'm trying on ones that are not in the sale section, mind you. This is actually on another visit, but I just wanted to show you how they look. The Brooklyn 39 and the Brooklyn 28 are the only ones that they are offering. So I'm trying on the 28 in the classic chocolate maple brown and also the Brooklyn 39 in the suede. So the 39 is quite a big bag. Look, I think that the stuffing in this bag is making this look bigger than it actually is. So if you actually take out that stuffing, it's going to look a lot better in my opinion. When it's a fully stuffed bag, it looks way too big for my body size. Of course, if you are really tall like Bella Hadid, you can carry this off regardlessly. But even if you aren't Bella Hadid, I still feel like this Brooklyn is such a fabulous bag. At 39, the oversized look, the slouchy look, it's such a nice looking elevated hobo bag. It really just oozes like old money, quiet luxury. Coach has executed it really well. I see so many Asia celebrities as well with this. This is Chen Yao. This is a Chinese actress. She is carrying the Brooklyn 39 and looks fabulous on her. Also, Chae Soobin. She is a Korean drama actress, and she's carrying the Brooklyn 28. That looks to be the Brooklyn 28. Looks beautiful on her. That's in the loved leather. Can't find that leather anywhere in the women's selection anymore. Love that leather. And then also Esther Yu. She's another Chinese actress and singer carrying the Brooklyn 39. But I feel like you just can't go wrong with the Brooklyn. Whether or not you want to go with getting one of the classic colors and paying the full retail, I still feel as though this is worth it. It is such a good deal, but especially if you want to get one on sale, it is just such a bargain of a price. The Brooklyn 28 on sale is $385 and it works out to be only 30% off, whereas at Brooklyn 39 being 50% off, definitely the best value, $447.50. It is in those 3 colors. They still look beautiful. I feel like the best colors are probably the Merlot and the gray. The tan honey brown is also quite nice, but because it's such a big bag, I feel like it can look, quite big in a lighter color. I did also head over to the Coach outlet store. This is in a completely different area. First visits that I ever went there, and I do find it quite overwhelming. They did have some of the boutique lines, so I did see some of the boutique line tabby bags there. But yeah, I did find that it is a little bit confusing and a little bit overwhelming that they have some boutique stuff and then they just have a lot of outlet stuff. So that's probably one of my only things I don't love about the Coach outlet store, is that it's just so much there that it's almost hard to really, see the curation really going on when there's just a lot of saturation of bags there. But I do feel as though you should not discount the Coach outlet line. That sounds like a pun, but that's not intended. I just feel like there can be bags in the Coach outlet line that really you will like, and you won't ever see them in the Coach boutique line. So I still feel as though the Coach outlet is always something to consider. And I did actually find something on this trip that was really nice, very unique, very fun, and it's not something that I would actually see in the Coach boutique. So I did pick something up. I get a bit confused though with the discount, because it always seems like they're always 40% off. So I don't feel as though it really matters about what time of year you are going to the Coach outlet. It always seems to be always discounted. Kind of confusing. Maybe that's a sale tactic with it. But yeah, I think that it's just worth having a look at. There were some nice designs there. I like the denim bags. They were really fun. The newspaper design, really fun and unique. And then there were some bags that looked like they could pass as a classic boutique bag, but they are just designed for the outlet. So let me know what your favorite bag was from this video. As I said, I'm going to have some links down below because the sale doesn't run for all too much longer, but those authorized retailers do run their sales for longer. So definitely check out the description bar. Let me know what you liked, and hopefully you did like this kind of video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below, and I will try to film some more contemporary designer haul videos and vlogs like this. I definitely do have an unboxing video that I need to do with Coach. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one.